Hello and welcome to another episode of AA3K on the go. This is Mark, AA3K. It's been asked for a long time and Parks on the Air is finally delivered. Self-upload of your logs from POTA activations. So why don't you join me on my little adventure through uploading my first log. I've done a screen capture and we can discover the process together. Well, it's finally here. Direct log uploads to Parks on the Air. So, how do you do this? Let's take a trip together and do my first log upload. Obviously, go to the POTA.app webpage. I'm already logged into it, and there's my call sign. So, go to your call sign and click on My Log Uploads. And you'll see, click here, or drag and drop to upload ADIF logs from your activation. Note that I tried this on my cell phone and I got a warning message that there was not enough resolution on the screen to display this. Going into landscape mode might help, but it did not on my phone. So let's grab my first log. So we click, oh, that didn't work. OneDrive. My AA3K at Kilo 1410 on today's date ADIF file, already exported from my laptop. Open. File name, QSO dates the 2nd of July, AA3K, Kilo 1410 in Pennsylvania, 75 phone contacts. All files must be compliant with the ADIF specification. That definitely is. My logs are correct, and I understand the logs cannot be modified once opened. My logs are for activations that conform to Parks on the Air rules and conduct, code of conduct, and upload for validation. Uploaded successfully. Your logs will be processed shortly. This page will refresh in 15 seconds. So, next stop is wait until tomorrow morning. The logs are usually processed somewhere around 2 a.m. East Coast time in the United States, and we will see how it goes.
A few moments later.
Well, that seems to have gone really quick. I'm seeing my log I just uploaded for my activation on Saturday, July 2nd at Ralph Stover State Park, Kilo 1410. First QSO was 7/2/2022 at 05:18, and the last QSO was at 06:30, and I did do 75 QSOs, and 75 were accepted. And the drop down shows a little more detail. And let's hop over to my activations, and there it is. 75 phone. And if we go to the park information, 1,035 QSOs total. I have finally earned my kilo at Ralph Stover State Park, Kilo 1410. It only took 16 activations, 4 more activations, and I'll have my repeat offender. Woohoo! We're making it there. That was convenient. No having to send the login to the local administrator for the call district number and waiting for the administrator to get around to uploading the logs to the POTA servers. That will surely save a lot of time. Okay, well, that's definitely a feature that has been long in coming, but very much appreciated. So I hope you found that upload demonstration useful, and you can now upload your logs directly to Parks on the Air instead of having to go through your local coordinator. If you found this information useful, helpful, and such, like, subscribe, add a comment. It's all greatly appreciated. Until the next time, this is Mark, Alpha 3 Kilo.